Hello and welcome to the last lecture for learning Adobe Illustrator and learning graphic design. In this video, I'm going to just simply explain everything within a few minutes that how I made all of these and what benefits you can get from it. So starting from the file menu, I just showed you how you can just make some new documents, a new file from here, and how you can save the files after making your designs. Then I proceed to these icons over here, the left panel, and it's full of tools to make new designs. So from the selection tool to direct selection tool and pen tool and text and then the shape tool and all the others. I've explained each and every tool over here. Then I went to the right panel of the interface and I just explained each and every icon, the main icons over here from the Adobe Illustrator Essential display, and everything over here I just explained very well. And then I went back to the top panel and explained these menus in detail. The last thing that is in the windows is all of the tools over here. You can see the alignment, the action, everything is over here, and it is over here as well. If you want to just bring any menu to the front or drag it to the right panel, you can just bring from here. So if I need brushes, I can just, so it's already there but I can't see it, so I can just get it back over here. And then color, you can see it's over here. Everything from here is already on the right side of panel. The workspace, so this is the display for the Adobe Illustrator. If you are going to do some automation, then here is the display. If automation means if you want something to repeat by itself and you just have to record this, and if you click play over here, then everything will get repeated with special intervals. Then it's essential, that is on everyone's screen. So then typography and web and all the things. So if you just get this thing that you are not familiar with, you can just go over here and go to this essential. Or if you just in any case lost this, you just cross this one and you want this back, you can just go over here and reset essentials and everything will come back. So the last thing is the help menu. You can just sign in or get updates and everything over here. And it was a pleasure teaching you all about this Adobe Illustrator, and then I tried my best to just explain each and everything in Adobe Illustrator. And if you want to know anything else, just make some comments or ask me. You got my contact details right in the bottom of the screen, and hope to see you soon with another course. Have a good day. Bye bye.